Okay, look, guys, a little update here from my build. Sorry about the bad lighting because it's dark and I only have this fucking lamp. Um, I got the power supply in, I got the motherboard in, I got the CPU in, and if you can see, I built in the water cooler, the Hydro H50, connected it with the radiator and the fan. Only thing was it didn't come with a grommet or whatever, for noise reduction of the fan. So I don't know. Maybe I'll do that later on. And if I just flip the here, you can see the back plate and the plate I connected for the water cooling. So yeah, it's going pretty good. Just have to finish it up a little bit. Still have to do the graphical cards and rest of all the stuff and the cables. But it's going pretty good. It's going pretty good. So yeah, I hope to be done in like an hour, hour and a half too maybe. Yeah? See you guys later. Okay, I've been busy with the two video cards with an SLI bridge. I placed the Corsair Dominator GT with the fan on top. I've been really busy with the cable management. As you can see, I don't know if there's enough light. Can you see the cable management? That looks pretty tight. Tight, bro, tight. Let me just put this cam down. Oh, that's a lot of fucking cables on the back. I still have to like replace these for what are these called in English? I don't know. But I first gotta see if the computer runs okay, and then I'm gonna replace these fucking things with these over here. Yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna have a test run in a minute, and I'll see if it works. Yeah. Later. Okay. This is it. This is it. Still, all the lights are working. It's fantastic, man. Oh, it's a fucking beast. I don't have a lot of light here, but let me try to flip this over. This. Well, I went for the one video card because I wanted to SLI bridge the other one, but it was a different type. It was a 320 and this one is a 640. So that's why I didn't do it. Here you see the water cooling, and here I have a secondary fan over here on top. You see the fan spinning for the memory and all the cables. I don't know if you can see it, with the, it's a bit dark, but all the cables are very nice managed. The only thing I want is in light up here, and I want a secondary fan, I think, up here for the push-pull combo for the hydro. Okay, you know, I already overclocked it. It's running sweet, it's running so fast. So I'm very, very happy. I'm very happy. Oh, I have one fan up here. You can't see it, it's too dark, but you know, there's no fan here. Only one here. So maybe that's a nice option to put an extra fan over here. But it's running good, you know, the door is also running. Sweet. Okay. So, yeah. That's my little setup over here, maybe. My mouse, headset, oh, skull. That's my computer. Yeah. Oh, the overview of the games. Haha. Okay, guys. Yeah, see you later. Thanks for watching. Yeah, later.